Karna is one of the iconic characters in Mahabharata. Despite all the odds he faced, he stands big and proves that he is a real man. Yes, he was unfortunate. He was ditched and much more. And he believed in karma till the end. Karna was great in archery, but he faced rejection in society not because he lacked the skills, but as he belonged to the low caste. He donated his immortality without a second thought. He denied Krishna's offer. He stayed loyal. But throughout the life, he was the victim of society. Hello everyone, I am Bharat and this is Cinema Paradigm. And today we're gonna discuss about Mari Selvaraj's another classic cult movie that is Karnan, starring Dhanush, Lal Paul, Natarajan Subramaniam in the lead role. Mari Selvaraj, in his debut movie, Pariyerum Perumal, crafted the issues and struggles beautifully and also presented it smartly on the screens. And after that, Karnan, carrying the same issues but on a different vehicle, has read the audience, leaving lot of questions. After watching this movie, I was wondering how can a director club all those sensational stuffs under a single plot and deliver a masterpiece. So here is why Karnan may join under the category of greatest movies ever made in India. In short, the movie is about a village and its residents living there who are ignored by other villages and people who belong to so-called upper class. The village is deprived by the facilities that a village is supposed to get in India. And often the villages are oppressed by the others who are in high position in the society. And how those villages rise and unite together towards the oppression they are facing from decades or centuries is the one-line story. But this doesn't stop here. There's much more interesting thing about Karnan, and that's why movie stands apart from those regular masala movies. Here you can witness great writing, awesome staging and framing sequence, and most importantly, top-tier metaphors that leaves you wonderstruck or provoke your thoughts. That's the caliber of Mari Selvaraj, and we had witnessed it in Pariyerum Perumal, especially in climax sequence. Coming to Karnan, the character and their names play a crucial role in the movie. It's an open-ended concept that has been presented to the society. And through these characters, the social setup has been questioned. It has shown how a revolution must be carried out and when exactly. It shows the dominance of men in higher authority who are supposed to protect the system and law. The movie begins with a scene where a young girl lying in the middle of an highway attacked with epilepsy and no one comes to her rescue and vehicles move as usual as none of them stop and help her. Slowly, the scene is brought into top angle and the girl's head is replaced by a mask of an idol or goddess. Then the scene is blurred from the top angle and this was probably from God's viewpoint, according to me. This is one of the beautiful shots to begin with and also sign of inhuman society. In Mahabharata, Karna sacrifices lot of things and resembles the perfectly composed character. But Mari Selvaraj's Karna is opposite. He wants things to be fixed immediately. He is the one who seeks justice through revolution. There are plenty of metaphors that convey the essence of the plot. There are animals, birds, insects, and other tiny creatures that are brilliantly used for symbolic representation. The character names in the movie is another example for state of the art in writing. Karna, Duryodhana, Draupadi, Abhimanyu, Yaman Raja, and most importantly, the open-ended and unsolved character name, Kannabiran, which means Krishna. The director's immense hold on the craft helps in the movie transforming into a masterpiece. It's not easy to present a simple plot with an unparalleled style of presentation which is filled with craft. For example, mainstream commercial movies have a common template, but Karnan stand apart from its very first scene. That is right from hero introduction, interval, pre-climax and climax. And the staging of the interval scene is one of the best till date. Very brilliantly written and staged it with perfection as the eruption begins. The dialogues are like weapon in this movie. They are written in such a way that each word must carry the value in it. Even the lyrics and the placement of songs are perfectly to the mood. The only black spot that I thought of was the love track, but as the love track was between Karna and Draupadi, it made sense. That's how a director controls an act. Santosh Narayan takes a big cake for contributing a wonderful background score and songs which contributes a lot in Karnan's success. Cinematography and editing gets full mark. And to conclude, if you are a lover of craft intensified movies filled with classy elements in it, then it's a worthy pick for you. This is Cinema Paradigm, a rational and abstract space for cinema discussions, and I am Bharat. We'll be back with another movie. Until then, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.